Hi, my name is Aditya Siddhartha and I am from Triple department. I am here to explain about a topic from PowerPoint control and instrumentation. And the topic is survey of methods of power generation. Introduction. The power generation and energy is backbone of every country to survive in this world. Electricity generation is the process of generating electrical power from the other sources of primary energy. The fundamental principles of electricity generation were discovered during the 1820s and early 1830s by the British scientist Michael Faraday. His basic method is still used today. Electricity is generated by the movement of loop of wire or disc of copper between the poles of a magnet. Mankind has been generating electricity on an industrial scale since 1881. The first power plants used hydroelectric power and coal power. Popular world power generation fuel and methods and techniques of power generation. Coal power generation. Steam coal, also known as thermal coal, is used in power stations to generate electricity. Coal is first milled to a fine powder, which increases the surface area and allows it to burn more quickly. In these pulverized coal combustion systems (PCC), the powdered coal is blown into the combustion chamber of a boiler where it is burnt at high temperature, as shown in diagram below. The hot gases and heat energy produced converts water in tubes lining the boiler into steam. Thermal power plant. Thermal power generation. Small electricity generators are often powered by reciprocating engines burning diesel, biogas, and natural gas. Diesel engines are often used for backup generation, usually at low voltages. However, most large power grids also use diesel generators, originally provided as emergency backup for a specific facility such as a hospital. To feed power into the grid during certain circumstances, biogas is often combusted where it is produced, such as landfill or wastewater treatment plant with a reciprocating engine or a micro turbine, which is GE gas turbine and CAT IE engine as below. GE gas turbine and CAT IE engine. Nuclear power generation. A nuclear power reactor produces and controls the release of energy from splitting the atoms of uranium. Uranium fueled nuclear power is a clean and efficient way of boiling water to make steam which drives turbine generators. Except for the reactor itself, a nuclear power station works like a most coal or gas fired power station. PWRs and BWRs. The main design is the pressurized water reactor PWR, which has water in its primary cooling or heat transfer circuit and generates steam in a secondary circuit. The less, pop- the less popular boiling water reactor BWR makes steam in the primary circuit above the reactor core, though it is still under considerable pressure. Both types use water as both coolant and moderator to slow neutrons. Diagram of pressurized water reactor. Hydropower generation. Hydropower is generated by using electricity generators to extract energy from moving water. Historically, people used it to power off rivers for agriculture and wheat grinding. Today, rivers and streams are redirected through hydro generators to produce energy, although There are pros and cons as far as local ecosystems are concerned and diagram as below. Hydropower plant. The Three Gorges Dam is a hydroelectric dam that spans the Yangtze River by the town of Sandoping, located in Ying District, Yichang, China. The Three Gorges Dam is the world's largest power station in terms of installed capacity, 22,000 megawatts. In 2012, the amount of electricity the dam generated was similar to the amount generated by Itaipu Dam. Geothermal power generation. Geothermal energy is created by harnessing geothermal energy from the earth. Contrary to popular belief, geothermal energy is not technically a renewable energy source. There is widespread debate as to its effectiveness for electricity generation or heating. The articles on this page explore geothermal energy technology. Geothermal power plant. Battery power generation. Batteries store electricity in a chemical form inside a closed energy system. They can be recharged and reused as a power source in small appliances, machinery, and remote locations. Advances in battery technology may one day help to solve our energy crisis. The submarine and car are using battery power for operational this type. A submarine consists and use 24 cells for their operation in the sea, and these cells are chargeable through diesel generator. Batteries in automobiles and submarines. Wind power generation. Wind power is produced by using wind generators to harness the kinetic energy of wind. It is gaining worldwide popularity as a large-scale energy source, although it still only provides less than 1% of global energy consumption. Wind turbines are used to generate electricity from the kinetic power of the wind. Historically, they were more frequently used as a mechanical device to turn up machinery. These are two main kinds of wind generators, those with a vertical axis and those with a horizontal axis. Wind turbines can be used to generate large amounts of electricity in wind farms both onshore and offshore. The articles on this page are about wind turbines. Wind turbine. Waves power generation. Wave energy is produced when electricity generators are placed on the surface of the ocean. The energy provided is most often used in desalination plants, power plants, and water pumps. Energy output is determined by wave height, wave speed, wavelength, and water density. To date, there are only a handful of experimental wave generator plants in operation around the world. The articles on this page explore the world of wave energy and its possible applications. Wave power is the transport of energy by ocean surface waves and the capture of energy to do useful work. For example, electricity generation, water desalination, or the pumping of water into reservoirs. Machinery able to exploit wave power is generally known as a wave energy converter (WEC). Electricity generators on the surface of ocean. Wastewater and biogas power. The consumption habits of modern consumer lifestyles are causing a huge worldwide waste problem. Having overfilled local landfill capacities, many first world nations are now exporting their refuse to third world countries. This is having a devastating impact on ecosystems and cultures throughout the world. Some alternative energy companies are developing new ways to recycle waste by generating electricity from landfill waste and pollution. Wastage water hydro dam. Tidal power generation. Tidal energy is produced through the use of tidal energy generators. These large underwater turbines are placed in areas with high tidal movements and are generated to capture the kinetic motion of the ebbing and surging of ocean tides in order to produce electricity. Tidal power has great potential for future power and electricity generation because of the massive size of oceans. Tidal energy generators. Solar power generation. Solar power is produced by collecting sunlight and converting it into electricity. This is done by using solar panels, which are large flat panels made up of many individual solar cells. It is most often used in remote locations, although it is becoming more popular in urban areas as well. Solar panels. Combined cycle power plant and generation. In electric power generation, a combined cycle is an assembly of heat engines that work in tandem from the source of heat, converting it into mechanical energy, which in turn usually drives electrical generators. The principle is that the working fluid of the first heat engine is, after completing its cycle in the first engine, still low enough in its entropy that a second subsequent heat engine may extract energy from the wastage heat of the working fluid of the first engine. Combined cycle power plant. Thank you.